Good morning and welcome to the Weekly Insights with John Plassard. Just when you thought the market had reached its peak, a second wind is hitting smartphone manufacturers. Because of COVID-19, the smartphone industry suffered greatly in 2020 with a record of 11% drop in production, so 1.25 billion devices compared to 2019. On the sales side, the numbers also saw a sharp decline, but smartphone sales were already on the decline in 2019. According to the consensus, global smartphone sales are even expected to rebound by 11% this year. However, analysts could be wrong and downplay sales growth for two specific reasons. Firstly, this concerned the replacement cycle, which was estimated to be 40 months in Europe in 2020. This replacement cycle was supposed to be one of the drivers of smartphone growth in 2020, but the health crisis will have pushed it back to 2021. In the US, but especially in China, the trend is exactly the same. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, a clear recovery in the smartphone market in 2021 could be driven by sales of 5G devices. 5G devices are expected to account for 36% of the total sold, fueled by a resumption of ad hoc infrastructure rollouts around the world and the release of new entry-level and mid-range chips. Penetration is expected to be 37% in 2021, up from 19% in 2020. 5G smartphone transactions will more than double this year to more than a third of the global total, up from 17% in 2020. By 2022, 5G models are expected to account for nearly half of all cell phone shipments. The question, of course, is who will benefit from the smartphone renaissance? First, contract electronic manufacturing services company like Jabil Circuit. Second, semiconductor and telecom equipment manufacturers like Qualcomm, for example. To this, we can add telecom operators such as Deutsche Telekom, and finally, phone manufacturers such as Apple or Samsung. This is a theme to watch very closely because it could impact the consensus upwards. Thank you very much. Have a great week. Stay safe, read my morning, and keep on winning.